Bonds is when you issue debt instruments to the public or whoever, institutional investors, where you're trying to raise cash for either a project, an expansion, an acquisition, and it's debt. It's not equity. You have no ownership in that company. Basically, you're giving a company cash. They're going to be paying you interest over that period of time. And then once the bond is due or comes to an end, you're getting your money back. The corporate bonds, we're going to break them down into length. You're going to have short-term bonds, which are usually going to be 1 to 4 years. You're going to have intermediate bonds, which could be 1 to 15 years. If you want to make it nice and clean, 4 to 15 years. And then you have long-term bonds, which would be 15, 30, and maybe even longer than that. All right, now bonds, they're going to be low to medium risk depending on the type of company that's issuing them. And you have rating agencies that'll give it like a AAA, AA, single A, triple B. So they're going to rate the company's fundamentals, their financial, provide investors an idea of like, okay, this is a AAA, it's a very safe corporate bond, or you might get like a junk bond, which is going to pay a higher interest rate, but your risk is going to be higher of a default and you might not get your principal back.